If you're looking for a simple, natural way to boost your health, give okra water a try before breakfast. Yes, okra water. It might sound odd, but trust me, this green elixir can do wonders for your body. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make and inexpensive. So let's get into what happens when you start drinking okra water first thing in the morning and why it's becoming a health trend you don't want to miss. First up, what exactly is okra water? Well, it's just okra pods soaked in water overnight. This soaking process releases beneficial nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants into the water, making it supercharged with health benefits. Now, let's break down some of the powerful health benefits that come from drinking okra water before breakfast. Starting your day with okra water can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. Studies suggest that compounds in okra may reduce the rate at which sugar is absorbed in the intestines. So, drinking it on an empty stomach could help curb those blood sugar spikes, especially for those watching their glucose levels. Okra is rich in dietary fiber, particularly a type called mucilage. That's the gel-like substance that gives okra its slimy texture. This fiber can be incredibly soothing to your digestive tract, helping to relieve constipation, promote regular bowel movements, and even calm an irritated stomach lining. Who knew a morning drink could be this helpful? Okra is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, which is just a fancy way of saying it fights off skin damage. Drinking okra water regularly may help reduce wrinkles and give your skin that natural, healthy glow. Are you finding this helpful? If so, hit that subscribe button and join our community here on JEHBHEALTH. We post daily tips to keep you healthy, naturally. Let's keep going. Now, making okra water is as easy as it gets. Let me show you. You'll need 2 or 3 fresh okra pods. Make sure they're firm, bright green, and free from any black spots. Wash the okra thoroughly, then cut each pod lengthwise. You can slice them into smaller pieces if you like, which helps release the nutrients faster. Drop the cut okra into a glass of water, around 8 to 12 ounces. Leave it to soak for at least 8 hours, preferably overnight. This lets all those nutrients infuse into the water. In the morning, remove the okra pieces, give the water a quick stir, and it's ready to drink. Some people say it has a mild, almost earthy taste, but if it's too plain for you, a squeeze of lemon can add a bit of zing without affecting the benefits. Now, let's talk about what you can expect when you make okra water a part of your morning routine. You may notice smoother digestion and less bloating. That's the fiber in action, helping to keep things moving along. Some people report better blood sugar control, more energy, and even improvements in skin clarity. Imagine starting your day with a drink that makes your skin look clearer and feels great on the inside. Regularly drinking okra water may contribute to long-term benefits like lower cholesterol levels and reduced inflammation. But keep in mind that everybody is different. Some people see these changes quickly, while others may take a bit longer. And of course, okra water works best as part of a balanced diet. It's not a miracle cure on its own, but it's a fantastic addition. Here are a few tips to make sure you're getting the most out of your okra water. Try drinking it every morning for at least a week to really see the difference. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of whole foods will support the benefits of okra water. While it's generally safe, if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any health conditions, check with your healthcare provider before adding it to your routine. And there you have it, a simple, natural way to kickstart your morning routine with real health benefits. Drinking okra water before breakfast might just be the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. So why not give it a try? It's easy, cheap, and you have nothing to lose except maybe some bloating and low energy. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried okra water before, or are you planning to give it a go? Let me know in the comments, and share any health tips you think we should cover next.